So guys, we have come. Forgot to remove my lens cap. Don't forget to do that. So we are sorry, that might be slightly out of focus. My finger sat on the focus ring. We had some sort of vignetting like this. Hope you can see my hand like this because my lens cover on the Fuji got loosened and turned. So I'm going to take this shot again. These are the challenges a photographer would face while he is on the field actually. So you put your camera inside the bag, you take it out, put it back, take it out, you know, your focusing will change, your aperture, many things will change. So these are the challenges normally a photographer would face. So you need to keep a watch on all these things, otherwise you will lose the shot. Might be out of focus. So why I came outside, because what you see here is the text was capital of the English possession on the Coromandel coast from 1746 to 1752 fortifications. Demolished by the French and the site restored to the English in 1785. So that's what we read over there. Guess this place is for booze party now. Could see a couple of people coming inside with all the bags and stuff, so I might have to stay away or either be not an intruder, try to be not an intruder, but photograph whatever I could on this place and move away, because I have not traveled like 183 kilometers for nothing, right? I think I have plans to remove this whatever you see, the electric cables, you know, I'll remove them on the post. So I try to place these branches in silhouette in the lower part of the frame. So that was the idea for that. This frame I saw when we were over there on that dried lake. Okay. என்ன சார் அவங்க கேட்டினா உள்ள போய் எடுத்துக்கலாம். யார் கிட்ட? இந்த வீட்டு வரணும் கேட்டினா இந்த சோரங்கலாம் இருக்கு லேசா அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கிறது. அப்படி போலாங்களா? அப்படி ஓ இதுக்குள்ளேயா? சோரங்கலாம் இருக்கு. நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு எங்க என்ன ஊர்ல இருக்கீங்க? திருச்சி. சொல்லு. தேங்க்ஸுங்க. உங்க நல்ல பேருங்க? என் பேர் ஆனந்த். தேங்க்ஸுங்க. சரி. எப்படி சொன்னீங்கன்னா சரி. அவங்க உள்ளே போயிட்டாங்களே. இப்படி வருவாங்கப்பா. சரி. அக்கா அங்கே உள்ளே போய் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துக்கலாமா? திருச்சி. சும்மா தான் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. பேப்பர்ல சும்மா நம்ம எடுத்து வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. இங்க அப்படி சும்மா அந்த படி மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். தேங்க்ஸ். landed. So it was nice of her to give us some space to take some photographs. Again, the same tree. I couldn't get a frame in this wide angle, you know. It's gonna make me difficult. So I took that tree since it's all abandoned and I don't want to get down there. You see, it's all dirty and it's all this thing. I believe there is some underground stuff here. So I hope I was not offending anything. That's about it. There's nothing to photograph here. I photograph everything that is required. So no, I don't think I'll be getting anything photograph from that side also, because this seems to be very much abandoned place, and I have some tensed vibe about this. I was already tensed because of certain boat sound happening in a frequency. I don't know, this is only in the recent past that I am getting more tensed and more restless because of the certain repeated hammering or drilling or some sort of noise, but I do not know why, but I'm trying to manage myself and keep myself in good shape. So that's what. So you hope you guys might have seen the boat already. The boat was already giving me such vibes. So that's about it. So that's the short video of this side of the fort. We will see if we can what they have inside, and we'll just look at it. We have some visitors. You ulla polangla? Thank you. இது சுற்றி பார்க்குற இடம் தானே இது? இது சுற்றி பார்க்கலாம் நீங்கள்? தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே, அங்கே அந்த சைடு பார்க்கணுன்னா யார்கிட்ட பர்மிஷன்லாம் வாங்கணும், எழுத்த வீட்டிலன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அது ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. இது ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துக்க. So you find a bigger anchor here. It must be pretty heavy. Some Pirates of the Caribbean kind with rust formed over here. That was some pretty scene. Probably I should have been a little earlier. The light must have covered this, but still we have some 14 stops of dynamic range, so that will help me recover the shadows. So we'll see this. I have taken a similar frame like this in Tiruchi Malaikote. So where you will find from this side and the GoPro on the 2/3. This is the far I could get. It was nice. தேங்க்யூ. சுரங்க பாதையா? ஓகே. கொஞ்சம் இருட்டாக இருந்தது, வருமா எடுக்க முடியுமான்னு தெரியல. ஓகேங்க, தேங்க்யூ. திருச்சி. இல்லை இப்போ வேண்டாங்க, இன்றைக்கி நான் பிளான் பண்ணல. ஏன்னா 4 மணி நேரம் ஆகும் இங்கேருந்து போகிறதுக்கு நான் திரும்பி. ஸோ அதனால் இது மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இன்னொரு நாள் எப்போயாவது பிளான் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரே நாள்லேயே எடுத்துட்டா டயர்ட் ஆகிடும். மெமரி கார்டில் வேறு இடம் இல்லை. So as you guys see, I explained it before, this kind of roofing is found in British construction, and my grandfather's house is built with this type of construction. My grandfather's house is there in Tirukattupalli, Karupur. So that's where you will find this kind of construction. That's like 2-story house with a bigger land. My uncle, that's my mom's parents that I am talking about. That's my mom's father. So guys, this place is only for videoing. I couldn't find much of fine art photography. I'm going to take some reference shots, by the way. Some reference shots. So some interesting place, man, but completely ruined now. It's all ruined, further ruined by less maintenance. So I do not know if it is under Archaeological Society of India. I do not know if this is one such site, but I like the view. So if government of Tamil Nadu can do something about it, that will be really nice. So we have some people resting here. So see, these are the roofs completely came off. But it's interesting. These are interesting view. I'm going to take a few shots for reference. But I do not know if this would make any fine art frame. Some dry leaves are falling out. So that's the hall. It looks like this is an office for the port. You know, there is some way here. So those are the backwaters which we saw. It's called Gadiwal or Gadilam or Galidam Lake. So that's the. Oh, இதுக்கு இங்க எப்படி வந்தீங்க? அப்படி வரணுமா? Okay. It's nice. People are helping me out to find the way. I've never been here. And oh, okay. Sorry. படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, தொந்தரவு பண்ணுறேன்.
படிக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருப்பாங்க எல்லாமே, எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் ஆகும்.
ஓ, ஓகே, நைஸ். அப்படி வந்தேன் நான்.
இந்த ஒவ்வொரு வருஷம் ஒரு பிறந்த.
ஓகே, அது பார்த்துட்டேன். தேங்க்யூ. யுவர் குட் நேம் சார்? Azhar Krishna. Continue. So I like this frame. I'm going to expose it more, a little more. Looks like I'm going to take some portrait as well. That was a good shot. Good luck. So let's leave this abandoned place already. So there's some view here. Wait. Nice. That's nice. We will take the texture of this roof. I like it. That's done. Okay. Okay. It looks like some sort of hall. Huh? Map எடுத்துக்கல. அது என்னது?
வணிகம் பண்றாங்களா பொருளாதாரம்.
Oh, okay. அந்த டைம்லயா? Oh, thanks. So the Orchard Lutheran Church, yes, India, South India. So probably it's their map where all the trades were happening and the route which was all there. Hope you guys heard it by now. I didn't know about it and people over here guided me to this map. Anyways, thank you. We'll take a peek inside. What is there? Probably some sort of office. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Socks water. So you find some painting, I think of the Last Supper. I think this is of the Last Supper, I guess. Jesus is washing the feet of the accompanied in the Last Supper table. So the Last Supper, I remember like as a one single painting with Jesus standing in the center with the wine cup. That's what I remember. This is a little bit strange wherein you will find Jesus washing the legs of the people who accompany him for the dinner. This one was made in 86, I believe. I couldn't recognize the painter. The last name reads Raj. Good work, Mr. Raj. Then that painting was done in 1986. We have some people living here. All kiss. There is something mentioned here. Some sort of recording room, I believe. ALC Cassette Ministry recording studio was opened by Mr. Dr. Menikar Reyes, PhD, Executive Secretary, Department of Communication, LW of Geneva. Oh, and dedicated by R.T. Rav M. Samuel, BA, BD, MT, USA Bishop of ALC on Monday, the 20th August 1990. You will find some anchor here. This is nice. இல்லை சார் இல்லை அது வேண்டாம், அது ஏதோ ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டுடியோன்றாங்க, பரவாயில்ல அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். So that's about it, guys. So you have some interesting entrance. I want to give some exposure here. I think I'm at exposure bracketing. I'm going to move to high frame rate burst. That's about it. Guys, that's the other part of the fort, and we have photographed it. We couldn't get to the underground passages and the storage rooms here. So thanks to the people over here who guided me for all these things. Thank you, sir. Your good name? Kabilan. Krishna.
Okay.
Thank you.
ஆமாம்
சார்.
அந்த வண்டியில்
ஆமாம், டூ வீலர். நான் கொஞ்சம் மெதுவாக தான் வந்தேன். கூகுள் மேப்பில் கொஞ்சம் அந்த ஆடியோ கேட்கல, திடீர்னு அது மியூட் ஆகிடுது பாக்கெட்டில் வச்சோன்னே. அதனால் நிறுத்தி பார்த்துட்டு வந்ததுனால 4 மணி நேரம் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போது அது என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ போகிறப்போ 3.5 ஹவர்ஸில் போயிடும். 120 பத்திரிக்கைலாம் இல்லைங்க, சும்மா யூடியூப் சேனல் வச்சுருக்கேன், ஃபோட்டோ எடுப்பேன், பிடிச்சதை அதை போடுவேன், அவ்வளோதான். இல்லை வேறு எதுவும் இல்லை. பார்த்துருக்கேன் 2-3 லொக்கேஷன் பார்த்துருக்கேன் கடலூரில். இன்னைக்கு இது மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிறேன், பாக்கி அப்புறம் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ. So that was good. So kind of those people let me in their private space. So that's about it, guys. I'm not going to visit any more places here in Cuddalore, and I guess the photo walk ends here. And also to say, Pondicherry is like just 20 kilometers from this place, and if I want, I could visit Pondicherry from here because I have come this far. Why not go to Pondicherry? But the point is like I'm running out of battery powers. I could charge only the GoPros but not my Fuji cameras. I did not bring my charger here, and the thing is like the memory cards of my X Pro 2 is also running out, so it will be of no use if I go to Pondicherry by this time, and it's already 11 o'clock. So Pondicherry is the kind of place where you visit only in the evening, you know, like during sunset. So dawn and dusk will be great in the beaches of Pondicherry. So we will visit Pondicherry some other time, and we will visit Cuddalore again some other time for certain photographs. So it was good and nice. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Peace. I'm not even going to the beach of Cuddalore this time, though I'm on the beach road here. So kindly forgive me, I'm going to get back home. பிரயாணத்தெல்லாம் பதிவு பண்ணுறதுக்காக It was a great photo walk, and from the bottom of my heart I truly thank every single person who made this photo walk possible. And 381.1 kilometers. Good ride. Peace.